The Lion and the Little Mouse. Once upon a time, there was a lion and a little mouse. One day, the lion was sleeping in a forest. A little mouse started jumping on it. The lion was disturbed and lion was wake up. Roar! The mouse was very scared. Okay, king, I'm very scared. Please don't eat me. Forgive me this time. Please let me go. I will help you one day, king. And the lion let the mouse go. One day, the lion was walking in the jungle and the hunter came. The lion got caught in the net. And the lion said, help me, somebody. Mouse came and saw the lion, and the mouse cut the net with his sharp teeth, and the lion became free. Now the mouse and lion become friends. Moral of the story is never underestimate to anyone. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching and wait for the next coming story.